So you can't have a truck conversation without talking about the Ford F-150, 2021 Hybrid Edition. And so you have a 145-inch wheelbase. You have, I believe, the 20-inch wheels that are on here as well. This is the Platinum Edition, which has a lot of creature comforts on the inside that looks really, really good. So this particular truck, you have 6 different trim levels. You have the XL, the XLT, the Lariat, you have the King Ranch, you have the Platinum, and you also have the Limited. It has the PowerBoost system. Like I said, 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6. And this is the 701A Platinum package. And so this is running right around $59,000. So it's $59,110 if you want to be exact. So Ford claims that this is a complete redesign. Every body panel has been redesigned. They also claim that it's going to get an EPA estimated range of 700 miles on 1 tank of gas. Now that's with the 30.6 gallon version. As you can see, the interior of this truck has been completely redesigned, and they've created what's called the interior work surface. And so what that is, you have a stowaway shifter knob that will allow you to use the interior work surface. So in order to activate that, this is awesome, press this button right here, it stows it away. So now you can come over here and you can use this surface. Now what I would have liked to really see is I would have liked to have seen some type of sticky surface up here, because if you have a laptop or anything like that, there is a chance that it could slide off by accident. However, this is a really good idea because there are so many people who need to use their work laptop to sign documents and different things like that. So having an area where you can do that is totally worth it, in my opinion. So everyone, you have your dual glove backs. It has a pretty decent amount of space. Now, this actually has a surface that I would have liked to have seen here in this work area. And now you have the glove box over here, which is a pretty decent amount of space. So take a look at that, everybody. This screen, so this is your available 8-inch. It actually comes in a 12-inch as well. So this truck, as with many new cars on the market, comes with OTA, and that is over-the-air updates. So this includes maps, which is awesome if you remember the days of just having to buy a CD and having to shove that into the CD changer in order to get map updates. Well, those days are long gone. What these OTA updates allows you to do is to get those updates right away and not have to take it to a dealership or anything of that nature in order to get updates. And so what that does is saves you downtime. You really don't want to have to go somewhere in order to get a computer update. So this over-the-air updates, it helps tremendously, and a lot of times it can be done overnight. And Ford touts that it's actually seamless with these updates. So this comes with the 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen speaker system, and they actually also have an 18 speaker system where there's speakers in the headrest as well as in the headliner. That's pretty crazy. This is the Platinum series. You have the Carmelo leather, which actually feels really, really good. And you have a dual sunroof package, which looks really nice. And you have your speakers here in the here in the headliners. So everybody, check this out. This is pretty nifty. So if you have the keys in your pocket and you walk up to this vehicle, it actually has a running board that will sense the keys and it will pop out. It also has a kick switch right here. If you can see right up under here, it has a kick switch that if you do not have your keys and you want to just kick it, take a look at that, everybody. It just folds right up, which is pretty gnarly. I do like these little American flag accents they have over here. Let you know that Ford is all about patriotism, and you know that it's made in America, so they definitely want to tout that. One thing about Ford this time around, watching their videos, they want to tout that this is for the working man and woman. Even though Ford claims that this is a complete redesign, everything about this is completely F-150. So you have an area right here where you can put your, matter of fact, let me go ahead and put this in here. This area right here, we can put your cell phone in case you want to look at some how-to videos or anything. This actually can be used as a workbench. So you have an area here where you put a C-clamp in. That is extremely useful. And so you have these extra tie downs over here in these areas as well. So this truck comes with one of the 3 optional onboard generators. So this one actually comes with the 7.2 watt generator, which is amazing. So you have 3 different kinds. You have the 2.0, which is for all the gasoline variants. You also have the 2.4 and the 7.2, which is only on the hybrid PowerBoost editions. So you also have these nifty, as you come to know and expect from Ford, you have these different step ups here, and you also have that nifty little handle. So in the event you need to try to climb up here, you're being safe about it. And so of course you got the standard tail lights, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are the LED tail lights that is on here. And so as you can see, everybody, you have here, this is your onboard power, this is your power onboard system. So you have a 240 volt, and you also have 2 120 volt outlets. As you can see right here, it has a little push button to turn on the bed lights, and these are also LEDs as well. This is your rear underseat lockable storage. It's pretty cool because if you need the flat load floor, then all you have to do is just drop it down. But I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to show you how to actually use this. So you bring it up, and you see this little area right here. And then you have a lever that's right inside here. You just bring this up. Voila, there you go. And then you also have some space here to where you can go ahead and just partition off whatever you need. And then of course they're locked, but if you want to drop these back down, you got this little pull lever right here. Pull that up and drop it on down, ladies and gentlemen. Same thing over here. Nice little cup holder. Also, if you take a look, Ford extended the running board right here, so you can step up onto the side of the vehicle from right here. They also have tie downs here, and it also doubles as a bottle opener over here. So you can drop this down, unlock that, and slide that on in there. And there you go. So you got a hybrid electric motor in here that's giving you an additional 47 horsepower. So everybody, there you have it, the 2021 Ford F-150. It looks pretty good, everybody. And you know, I actually have an F-150, so it's good to see that Ford is moving in a positive direction, and they're actually thinking about what the working man and working woman needs in a light duty full-size pickup. So everybody, if you like the video, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you like the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, everybody, remember, everyone deployed, and I'm out.